Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Happy little hippo by the lily pad, wiggle wobble belly, never looking sad, bouncing on the riverbank with a big loud ah. Let's all join the fun in the hippo hop. Hop, hop, hippo, shake your feet, clap your hands to the jungle beat, spin around and never stop to the happy hippo hop. Splish splash, toes in the water so blue, laughing with the frogs and the turtles too. Stomp like a drum, do a little plop, that's how we do the hippo hop. Hop, hop, hippo, shake your feet, clap your hands to the jungle beat, spin around and never stop, do the happy hippo hop. Splish splash, toes in the water so blue, laughing with the frogs and the turtles too. Stomp like a drum, do a little plop, that's how we do the hippo hop. Hop, hop, hippo, shake your feet, clap your hands to the jungle beat, spin around and never stop, do the happy hippo hop. Waddle to the left, wiggle to the right, dancing with the fireflies in the night. Moon is shining from the treetop top, time to slow down, let's soft hop, plop. Hop, hop, hippo, yawn so wide, snuggle in the reeds by the riverside. Close your eyes, let the music drop, good night from the happy hippo hop.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.